RhymBil is now online. What is good, fam? Today we're gonna learn how to add a text area in HTML. You already know how we do this. Open up that notepad, let's get right into it. Open up that HTML tag, down below, close it up. In between those tags, open up a body tag, and then close your body tag. And this is where a text area is going to be. If it seems like my video is kind of repetitive, it is. Because it's all about teaching individual tutorials that will eventually help you make your own website or whatever you want to do. As you can see, I already went ahead and made my text area tag. All you got to do is open up some angled brackets, type in text area, and close that off, and then just end it like a regular tag. Following this, we're gonna go ahead and save our work. You can hit Ctrl S, or you can hit Ctrl S. Just kidding. There's a little blue icon on the top, which you can click. Remember, when you save your file and title it, you have to put .html at the end of it. So go ahead to File, Open Containing Folder, hit Explorer or whatever you see there, and you should be fine. So when it opens up, you should see a rectangular box or square, whatever, and it's going to be your text box. You could do a lot of things to this. You could style it up, you could change the font size, you can make it so it can't be resized. You can do a lot of fun things with it. So as we're waiting for this to load, comment down below what is your favorite code. HTML, JavaScript, CSS, whatever. So as you can see, when it loads, it turns out to be a box. It's literally an area where you can type. You can type whatever you want. I'm gonna type in, RhymBil is the best HTML tutor on YouTube. Prove me wrong in the comments below. Also, the good thing about this is whenever you keep typing, instead of it going out of view, it keeps making rows or columns below itself. That's why I like text areas. You can see this when I just keep my finger on the G key. So now it looks pretty plain, doesn't it? You could also add background color inside your text area, and you could also change the font color if you want. So this next clip is where I'm pretty much styling it. Basically, I'm just changing the background color of it to blue in standard terms. So this code is literally just a piece of cake. I'm literally opening up a style tag, and inside the style tag, I'm referencing my text area, and I'm just changing the background color to blue, or whatever color you choose. Now if you go back to your Google page, you will now see your text area is blue. You could change the color of this whatever you want, but I don't like it being colored. I'm just gonna go back to plain. You could also resize this text area to fit whatever space is required, and you can see you can still type in it. Not too bad, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the color from my text area. So as I do this, you guys should feel free to comment whatever tutorial you would like to see next. I really appreciate it. So I removed the color, but I forgot to take away the text, so I'm just gonna go back and fix that. And that's it, guys. Before I go, I'm about to type something in this box. Tell me if you agree with me or you disagree with me. There you go, and that is how to add a text area in HTML. On one of my previous videos, I got a comment requesting a HTML5 tutorial on a clickable div. But then I did my research and realized HTML5 actually exists. And I realized it's the same thing as HTML. So if you do the same thing I do, it should work. I think there are some differences, but it shouldn't matter. If there is, you can comment again and tell me about it, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, RhymBil out!